What's up, guys? The Momo here. Update on the ASUS rebuild. It's not gonna happen. I took it apart all last night, cleaned it out, got all the dust out, put it back together, tried to reboot it to a monitor, no signal, which I don't know why. I did VGA, HDMI, multiple displays. It didn't work, so I'm gonna end up sending it out and getting it fixed. Best Buy, Staples, something like that. Basically what I need is a new graphics card, a new fan, and my hard drive to be completely wiped, because I did try to download music. I probably can't say that, but I did, and now there's some type of software that a virus that's just completely destroying my hard drive. So that's an update. I'm sorry that there's going to be no rebuild videos. Hopefully in the future there will be rebuild videos on this. Maybe if I do upgrade it eventually myself, that'll be years down the road if I do get these upgrades put in now. So hopefully there will be rebuilds soon. Hopefully there will be more stuff like that coming to you guys. So that's pretty much it. Peace.